What's up, YouTube? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures with today's news for off-road news and Carnage 4x Adventure news. So today, Synergy came out with a JTJL track bar relocation for the front bracket. Lifts your track bar up, centers your diff, and then also makes it so you can flip your drag link, put it on top of the knuckle instead of underneath, so they're still in the same plane. Centers the axle, gets rid of bump steer and all that. I'll put a link down below. Basically, it's made out of 1.5 DOM, and the list price $475. Pretty cool. Put some pictures and a link, like I said. Number 2, news of the day. Texans without power are using their F150 generators to plug in their houses. Which is pretty cool. If you don't have a generator and you got an F150, generator's a lot cheaper, but whatever. I'm not a huge Ford fan, but hey, it's pretty cool. If you can use that and not be without power, it's pretty good. Carnage Off-Road Adventures news of the day. Dmax got 7,500-pound airbags today, because Sunday we are hopefully going to pick up a camper to put on the back of the new 40-foot trailer. So we definitely needed airbags, seeing how it's going to be towing like 20,000 pounds. So that's what we got there. Also yesterday, put on new calipers on the YJ because this one right here was locked up. JK's torn apart as well, doing some stuff. So that's the news of the day. I'll do something again tomorrow. I'm going to be working on the JK all day tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all you guys' support. Don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Let me know what you want to see here every day, and don't forget to hit the notifications so we can keep doing this. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.